Hi guys, of lately the lot of weightage have been given for the diversity. It can be a gender diversity, this can be academic diversity. If you ask me personally, I'm obviously against this. Okay, let it be on merit, pure merit. But the CAT exam is designed in such a way that a lot of engineers are the toppers. There was a time when 98% of the batch, 98% of the batch at IIM Ahmedabad used to be engineers. So to compensate that, to diversify the batch, they're launching this thing. They're giving extra marks to a girl. If you're a female, you get extra marks at few of the IIMs. We look at all the IIMs today. Number two is based on your graduation. You're a non-engineer, you get extra marks. So today we look at the colleges. There are colleges which give almost 20% extra weightage, 20% weightage just because you're a non-engineer and you're a girl. So let's check out the report here. Okay, go to the link cetking.com/IIM. I've given the complete detail about the every diversification you need along the ranking and all for IIMs. And we're launching our CAT 2021 Series 22 program. So in case you want to join, just call the numbers given here, or you want to attend a demo lecture. We are conducting a free demo lecture as well. So please just call the numbers given here and my team will be sending you the login detail for the free demo lecture. Or in case you want to go for the books, mocks, whichever program you want to join, just call the numbers. Okay, let's start with the low end colleges. These colleges have very less academic diversity marks up to 10%. Okay, so last column here is the diversity marks. So I am Indore, I am Kozhikode, I am Ranchi, Vishakhapatnam, Amritsar, Lucknow, Trichy, Calcutta, Bangalore have the lowest percentage, 10%, which makes sense. 10% tak theek hai yaar. Fine. I'm Shillong and I'm Ahmedabad. On the other hand, they only invite the toppers. So which is kind of a gender diversity only. K 150, 100 engineers, 100 to 150, 150 to 100 non BCom, 150 to 100 BMS, doctors. So they have diversified as per the different branches. So this is kind of a gender the academic diversity at the next level. Okay. Now let's move up the chain. IIM Sirmur, Nagpur, Raipur, and Bodh Gaya is giving the weightage of almost 12 to 15%. फाइन उसका ब्रेकअप आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो 10% यहाँ पे 5% यहाँ पे एंड द टॉप 5 कॉलेजेस अगेन आई एम अहमदाबाद को निकाल दो आई एम जम्मू is giving 22% weightage for the diversity, 9% for academic, 30% if you're a girl. ठीक है 10-12th marks जोड़ दो 10-12th graduation even if you join WorkX, so they combined together is less valuable than you being a gender wise being a girl or a non-engineer. Okay, CAT weightage 40%. I am Rohtak 20% weightage for the diversity, 20%. Udaipur and Kashipur 16%. So these 5 colleges are giving almost more than 15%, 16 to 22% weightage for the academic diversity. ठीक है ना फॉर ऑल द इंजीनियर्स क्या हो रहे यार ये तो बर्बाद हो गई ये कैसे हो गया अब क्या होएगा ये क्या होएगा इवन आफ्टर ऑल दीज थिंग्स स्टिल ऑलमोस्ट 80% द बैच एट ऑल द आईएम्स आर इंजीनियर्स ठीक है तो अगर हमारे लिए ठीक है 80% तो है ना अपने साथ स्टिल 80% सीट तो है हमारे लिए एक बार look at imagine from a non-engineer point of view yaar he want to prepare for the CAT exam but he realizes only 2% of the BComs for example clear the CAT exam, so it's very sad for him preparation point of view, but for an engineer we still have 80% engineers going to IIMs ठीक है तो rather than feeling sad let's try to be in this 80%. rather than saying मेरा देखा मेरा वो 20% 80% में निकाल लेता है. Okay, so let's work hard so that we are in this 80%. Okay, all the best. So in case you want to attend the demo lecture or want to join our program, you can call the numbers given here. This Monday we're launching our new batch and ctking.com/IIM in case you want to download this table and do your own research. All the best.